Hello, it's Arthur again. Today we're gonna take a look at this very nice 93 Mercedes 300CE Coupe. This is a 124 chassis. These are fairly rare in this body style. They also came in sedan, wagon, and convertible. And coupe and convertible are the rarest. I'm not sure which one is rare. This car has 284,000 miles. It's in pretty nice condition. There's some MAE wheels on it. I'm not sure if these wheels are old wheels or they made them look like old wheels, but they kind of look like they fit the period. Paint looks pretty good. A few imperfections here and there, such as here. They're gonna get addressed. This car has the Windsor body kit on it. Very sleek looking. I think these are one of the best looking Mercedeses overall, especially in coupe with pillarless windows like most Mercedes coupes are. Looks great. This car came for front and rear flex disc replacement. We'll take a look at them right now, but first let's take a look at these beautiful headlights. I believe these are the Euro headlights, and they just make the front look so great. Let's take a look at the inside. Does have a nice wood grain steering wheel with leather airbag. This car also has a passenger side airbag. I believe this is either the first year or the only year that was offered in these. I'm not sure, I don't remember. The wood grain looks great. These are where they usually crack. This one actually looks very nice. You can see the mileage, 284,000 miles. The seats do have some wear on them, but overall they're clean and they look good, and they're actually very comfortable. I replaced the flex discs and center support bearing already, and these are the old ones and they look pretty bad. This is the rear one. It's pretty cracked up. The front one was even worse, ready to grenade. And center support bearing as well. Those are all on. Now we're going to take a look at under the hood and then raise it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Let's take a look at the engine. This one looks like the cover is being painted. Looks very nice. These cars have 217 horsepower and 229 pound-feet of torque, which is actually really good for a 6-cylinder engine. For only 3.2 liter from these years. Most of the engines barely cracked 200 horsepower. So this one's pretty powerful. Let's lift it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Let's take a look at the bottom of this 300CE. Let's go start from the back. There is a bumper in the back, stock exhaust. This car still needs a little bit of work. The CV boots are ripped over here, they're completely open, both sides, as well as diff bushings are shut. That should be addressed next time. But considering the mileage at 284,000 miles and it's being over 30 years old, this car is actually in pretty nice shape. I did replace the front and rear flex discs as they were in very bad shape. I'll show you what it looked like, as well as center support bearing. You gotta drop the exhaust, the heat shield to be able to access to drive shaft, unlike on most cars. Does have some oil leaks, looks like from the oil pan, maybe rear main seal as well. But overall it runs good, it looks pretty good, so it's a pretty nice car, I would say. Please comment, like and subscribe, there are more videos to come. Please support my channel by watching other videos as well. Thank you.